Hey guys, it's CJ and Winnie from Vintage Gypsy here, and I wanted to bring to you a couple of things today. Recently had a trip to Magnolia, and I wanted to share a few things with you about before you go, maybe some tips and tricks to planning your trip. I recently was driving down I-35 from Austin back to Dallas, and I was by myself, which is really rare. When I was looking down the street, I saw a couple of billboards from Chip Gaines that he wrote just for me, and I was very surprised at it because I know he loves Joanne. But anyway, that's beside the point. His billboard clearly said that he loved me, so I needed to take a trip to Magnolia and quit just talking about it and actually do it. After I saw the billboard that said exit here, I decided to exit. It was about 2:30 in the afternoon in Waco, and I really needed my 2:30 coffee break. So I declared it a coffee break and decided to pull off at the exit and go and see me some Chip Gaines. So once I got through the line and got handed a card of menu items for my cupcakes, I settled on a couple of varieties and made it up to the front door where they let us in, and the entryway of the bakery is probably, I would say, maybe 12 by 12. 12 feet by 12 feet, and that's it. The rest is counter space and cupcakes. So there I was, and I got up to the front of the line and looked at all the selections that you'll see on my video, ordered my couple of cupcakes and a dynamite cup of coffee, and I was set. Now, I don't want to ruin it too much for you, but the cupcake was just not my favorite. The icing was 100% fabulous, but it is an experience and you need to experience it for yourself. So what you should do is take your cupcake and your cup of coffee, walk out the door, and head toward the silos. Oh, be sure you go to the restroom when you're there. There's a little delight in there as well. I think I took a picture of it on my video. Hope you enjoy it. The whole thing took maybe an hour and a half, including waiting in line for the cupcake and making my way through the store leisurely with everyone else. Total, an hour and a half if you stretch it out. So my suggestion to you is first stop off at the Magnolia Table restaurant, have lunch, then leisurely make your way over to the Magnolia store and Silos and Bakery. That's a perfect afternoon. Hey sisters, now that you finished the video, I wanted to let you know that I have another trip planned to Pawhuska, Oklahoma. You know what I'm talking about. Pioneer Woman is gonna happen. I'm taking my mom for her 70-something-ish birthday, and we're taking a little road trip. So I can't wait to capture moments with you for that and some video and whatever we find along the way between the little town of Troop, Texas and Pawhuska, Oklahoma. So stay tuned for that. And hey, while you're at it, subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated on all our fun adventures. Love you guys.